So we just end up leaving the mall.
What? Throw it away.
Got some shoes here waiting on me at the door. 2 pairs are dead. Can't put the address. Hey, you can take that in the house one. Take them. Just at least one of them. Can't put the address on there. Show you guys what these. Oh, let's see what's in these boxes. Alright, so in the first box, this is from Sneakers. I kind of already know. My little cousin hit on these like last week. They just ended up getting to today. Bow. What was these called again? The yellow post. So yellow stripe. The purple ones was the purple post. So these end up coming in today. Size 9.5. Personal size for right now. Your boy. If I'm not able to sell it right away. Hey, go get them pandas. Oh, here they go. So today, me and my cousin, we waited in line for like 3 pairs of pandas today. 3 pairs of pandas. So they'll come up today. I'm gonna be holding all 3 of those. And so look at this big old box my guy sent these Off-White dunks in. Open this up. He told me he packaged, put some stuff in it. Let's see. Okay. All these newspapers, he even bubble wrapped it for me. I'm gonna put his name in the video because right at this moment I don't know his exact name. So it'll be somewhere in the video. Have to pick up all of that crap. So boom, here we have the Off-White. Go get off there. So this is lot 11, as you guys can see, and man, his box is better than mine. So and all of that. The retail on his pair was $150 as well. So this is my pair. You guys probably have already seen my pair. My pair was lot 14. I'm gonna show you guys how my pair looked. So my pair was like the lime green with the another pair of, let's say, a darker green. So that's my pair. Opening this up. Here we have these. And these are just sitting outside all day. These came around like 10 a.m. And I've been out since like, what time did we leave?
Around like 9:10.
We left out around like 9 o'clock in the morning. So we just not getting back to like 4:50. These just been sitting outside. And look, I know everybody been saying like UPS, FedEx been going through their packages. I have yet to have a problem with UPS and FedEx. So basically this is, we have the gray tongue and the orange string. So that's the difference from my pair and this pair. So it's your boy Zay. See you guys when I do the on feet.